All right, hey out there in YouTube land, how you doing? It's the summer, so I'm not making a lot of watch videos this summer because I'm busy doing fun stuff. So what we have here is another interesting watch tool. So not sure what this tool is used for, so I'd like some help out there. I think these are called lanterns, but I've got 3 different size lanterns. This unscrews. Let's see if I can unscrew this with one hand while I'm making the video. I know you guys are really impressed with this, I think. So these screw in and get this thing off. Can I get this thing off? There we go. It just took a run. And there's, I think on the end, it looks like it's indented ever so slightly, right? So, and then these extra lanterns, they have, I'll just dump another one here. And that's all this thing is a piece of threaded metal. And I think there's a hole in the end there, right there. So, and these little lanterns, they have holes in the end, like that. And then there's an open area here. And you put something in there. So what do you put in there? That's the question. Strange tools, watchmaking tools. These are my long fingernails for playing guitar. I'll always apologize because when I was a kid and I was on the bus, I put my hands over the rail and someone said, "Ooh, what's that?" Well, it was my long fingernails for playing guitar. You can't pluck guitars with short fingernails. So these lanterns, let me fumble here while I'm holding my phone and recording here. These go on top right there like that. And then they screw on, and then when you screw them on, you get a little bit of a difference. Like this screw, the threaded post will go up through here and will effectively shrink this. So you guys can tell me what this is for anyway. So this is the device. I doubt if I'm going to be able to screw this on with one hand. I'm having issues. Maybe I should just change lanterns. There we go. Oh, wait now. Yeah, change lanterns. Grab this one here. I think these are different sizes too. This one looks small compared to the last one. Let me see if I can do this. The one-handed video guy. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm twisting this on right now, and so you can see this going through. There it is. So what is this tool used for? What I'm surprised about is a little tiny hole on the top. Usually that would be where a pivot would go through, but I'm not sure in this tool. So it's just a metal post with threaded on the end with these little lanterns on the end. So like your opinion, there it is. Crazy threaded lantern tool. I'll get a little bit of a close-up here. There it is. That's the close-up. Give me a close-up. Bugs a Bunny, I think. And there's the end part of that post. There we go. What is this tool?